Find the inverse of y equals 2 log. Now log to the base is ln x minus 1 plus 1. Step 1. Inverse is, just to get your communication correct, swap your x and y values. Okay, so x equals 2 ln y minus 1 plus 1. So I just swap the x and y values. Now I'm going to make y the subject of the formula. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 on both sides. Okay. So sorry, I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides. I want to get rid of this plus 1. I don't want to divide by 2 to get rid of this. I want to get rid of the plus 1 first. So I'm going to subtract 1 and I'm going to swap the sides. Becomes 2 ln y minus 1 equals, so this one went to that side, okay, and the plus 1 goes over, it becomes x take 1. X takes 1. I'm now going to divide by 2 on both sides, so it's going to be ln y minus 1 equals x minus 1 divided by 2. So I divide by 2 on both sides. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Now this is in log form. My base is e. So I can now say my base is e. My exponent is x minus 1 over 2. And that equals y minus 1. Okay, where did that come from? Just a quick reminder for those people who can't remember. If I have log 3 to the base 4 equals x, I can say my base is 4, my exponent is x, and that equals 3. So in this case, I can say my base is e, my exponent is x minus 1, and that equals y minus 1. And all I have to do now is I have to take the negative 1 over to the other side. It becomes plus 1, and I'm going to swap the side again. So y equals e to the power, it looks better if I say this, half x minus 1. Okay, so I just put the 2 in front, and then the negative 1 goes over, it becomes plus 1. And this will then be the inverse of that function.